how to farm MEX or LKMEX token in Maiar app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Net, and today I'll guide you on how you can farm MEX or LKMEX token on the Maiar exchange. Well, first things first, what you can do is you should head into your browser and searching for MaiarExchange.com or xExchange.com. Either ways, you'll be headed to this page. Once you're here, you want to simply tap on the connect option at the top right corner of your screen, and here you want to select the wallet here. Now before it used to be different app, now it's all in one, that is the xPortal. So you want to simply tap on it and you can go ahead and connect it. Once you connect it, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and click the MEX or LKMEX token and tap on it and open up the token page. Once you do so, there you'll get the option that says stake. You want to simply tap on stake and go ahead and stake it. After staking, you will know the positions will no longer be displayed, but instead in MetaMasking. The MEX or LKMEX rewards for e-gold or wide yield farming will be displayed and harvested in MetaMasking. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.